Kasi malang cellphone. Magbayan ka. Ito yung mga 20,000 yung mag-bet sila. Ano? Indita na lang mag-indita mo. Pagdita na lang.
Andito si Papa Ma.
Wala na ako ba na magkatuloy. Guys, ma-renew na. Let's do the picture together here and let's all renew our pictures together. Remember, we had our picture together here, but there's a
2013 pa yun.
Sa followers and subscribers.
Dili lagi na pagkaon. Sige, share tanos ako. Hi. Kalibot kan cake ka.
Ang rabies injection 1.5.
Una na rabies, buwang kamas na, pagkay rabies.
Albor, may vlogger, hingi mo sticker. O sa hindi mo viral nga imong patong mo paak, ano dili? Gipaak no. Di ara. Kasala. Di ba lubot ani, lubot. Di ba tabunan, di pa paak. Dagan lang niya ko, ang bayo. Ay follow eh. Pero video so na kaya i-share. Di ba panty? Di ba tuyo ganun pa paano eh?
So it's Fiesta here in my parents' town. So unfortunately it's blackout, so we can't do much here. So no karaoke, but we've already accepting any already guests. So now it's just a family time. So we're now having a wine. What we're gonna drink? So we have a Cagliarese, we have May, Novellino, champagne, and this is Moscato. So Moscato, it has only how many percent is this for the alcohol? 7.5% for the alcohol. So let's try this. I can be your bartender, guys, but not professional because just started. So this is my little mini bar. Ay, nagreklamo diya kay nakakuha na. Okay. Cheers, everyone. Sparkle. But it has a little bit sour. And it's also like sparkling white wine. So anyway, Moscato is called from Australia, guys. It's good. Good. Cheers, everyone. Happy Fiesta. So this is the leftover for the fiesta, and she's already packing for some leftovers bring home. And people are also doing some karaoke. Hello. And my brothers are playing chess. Hello. Who's winning? Who's winning? Not yet? Not yet? Wow, that's a long game. Huh? Huh? Beginning. Ah, okay. Let's see who's gonna win. Is that for you? Oh. Huh? Ah, okay. For someone else.
Ano po kang kakaligo? At
Dito na daw sila kay maligo daw ng bata.
Paligo ko pa. Ang mga ilaw mo nagtaga. Ayun. Pailaw ko sa babagan. Sila ang mga ating ni Padre na nagtawag nila. Si Padre, ano rin ikaw dito. Dahil nagmuli si Padre ini, makadakor siya. Si Padre na po, si Padre na po, si Manani ang paagi sa doa. Ranjing. O wag po si Padre, mabunsa man po. Mabunsa man po dali na. Ay ba, makoy po dito. Tauhan, siguro naman sa gatong panyangan kaya wapang talinan po din na mga kanang sources ng income. Wala, salamat po sa mga isuunan na to, mga kaisuunan, mga active na ni Padre o kay Kuya.
That's the sisterhood. They're flying. Bye-bye. Ito na. Bye-bye. Good morning, everyone. So today we are gonna have a beach day with the family. So this van we're renting to go to Anda, so we're going there. It's the north side of Bohol, and it's like after Fiesta, there's some leftovers. So that's common for Filipino to go to the beach after Fiesta because of the leftover and so on, to enjoy the family time as well to the beach, because our hometown is a bit far from the beach area. So it's gonna be a happy day, beach day. So here is my family in the back. So it's full pack of people there, their families, their kids, and the driver is there as well. So that's my niece, my nephew. And we have also one car for my sister May's driving, and also it's a full pack of people as well in there. So we have some food from the back of the trunk, and yeah, so my baby is also the prince passenger. Let's eat. It's a big family, guys. It's only Rosario and Esmael family. Go for the rice. Rice. Ano to, te? Pork? Laoja pork. Hot dogs and lumpia, spring roll, rice, a lot of rice. Noodles with a longer life. Another paksiw, the leftover of lechon. Ano yan? Guwapa? Ay, ano yan, te? Kalang gabi. Corn. And the cake is here. Saging. Banana. The different banana. Little pineapple here. That's the view. So many people. That's the Long Beach shore of Anda, guys. This is the public beach in Anda, in the center of Anda. But the water is a bit of not so clear as I'm expected. Unlike on the middle side, it's more green. In this part, it's blurry. Hi, Sapi! Sapi! Say hi!
Picture ka mga budget tanan pito ng YouTube.
good. How about you? The look after the drinking and partying, dancing. Still pretty. My brother. Always the wasted one. Wasted. And me, after a bit tipsy, no boys, running out of boys, and the look, I don't know, that's not fresh look, but a little bit tipsy and a little bit of red. But this is the one. Patay. Patay.
Any kind of drinks? You want to have any kind of drinks?
You stuck up with in the room. You stay in the room, my love. You stay in the room. That's the end of our day. And time check, it's already 1 a.m. and the party is over for me. I had white wine and 1 glass of the horse, and also that's the end of our fiesta. This is the last night, and yeah, we had fun and kind of busy. I didn't able to film much of the food because kind of busy of also preparing and helping out in the kitchen. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in our next episode for the golden anniversary of my parents. See you and love you. Don't forget to like and share.